Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students of class 7. Here's your maths teacher, and we are going to start some other questions from chapter number 5. So, this chapter is regarding exponents, and we have solved many questions regarding exponents, and we have learned many laws regarding exponents. And today we will solve some further questions. So, from this exercise, question number 7 is in front of you. Simplify the following. And question number 1 from 7 is given to you. K 2 power 3 multiplied by 2 power 5, bracket on both sides, divide by 2 power 8. So, look at the bracket, there is given multiplication. In multiplication you have learned when bases are same in multiplication, then we will add the powers. So here in multiplication bases are the same, and we will what to do, we will do by adding the powers, writing base is one time, then 3 plus 5 we will add the powers, then this will be 2 power 8 divided by 2 power 8. 3 plus 5 will be 8. It means ke the term coming from the bracket is 2 power 8, which is divided by 2 power 8. So again you have learnt in other rule कि when we do the division by the same basis, then we will subtract the powers. We will what to do, we will subtract the powers. In division we will subtract powers, and in multiplication we will add the power. So here in division bases are the same, then we will what, we will do the subtract the power. So 8 minus 8 will be 0, and you know that another rule is in front of us, any number raised power of 0 is equals to 1. So 2 power 0 is equals to 1. In the same manner we have another question, 1 upon 3 whole power 5 divided by 1 upon 4 whole power 4 divided by 1 upon 3. So first you take first two terms, 1 upon 3 power 5 and 1 upon 4 power 4. These are in division and bases are the same, so you have to subtract the power. 5 minus 4 will be 1. And another 1 upon 3 which has no power, no any power. So it is consideration कि any number has no any power, we will consider 1 power on it. So again these number are in division, bases are the same, so we have to subtract the powers. It means 1 minus 1, which is equals to 0, and any number raised a power of 0 is equals to 1. So in the same manner you have solved question number 3. So question number 3 from question number 7 is your homework. All right, take care. Allah Hafiz.